Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If the sound in EA Sports FC 26 isn't working, don't worry. In this video I'll show you step by step how to fix the issue on your PC. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel and click on Hardware and Sound. Select Sound. Make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Just select your device and click on Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume isn't set to the lowest level. Solution 3. In the same Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Change your bitrate to 48 kHz or 44 kHz. Click Apply, and then OK. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Click Apply, and OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click Update Driver, then click on Search Automatically for drivers. Solution 6. In Device Manager, go back to your audio device. Right-click and select Update Driver. This time choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver and click Next. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open the Start menu again and type Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to update your GPU. Solution 8. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it and go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If there's a new update, download and install it. Now restart your PC and launch EA Sports FC 26. The sound should be working again. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any sound issues in EA Sports FC 26 on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.